Onjoria a nduka ĩno ya Njabini Fair Price ĩrĩa ĩrĩ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Engineer taũni-inĩ ya Olkalau matũngirwo nĩ kĩmako thutha wa Maobitha kuma ruhonge rwa guthaitira marĩa maturigiciirie kuhithukira nduka ĩyo na kuhithukia maratathi ma minyore 7,500 marĩa marahithĩte. Maobitha acio marakinyĩirwo nĩ ndeto ĩyo kugerera mũingĩ ũrĩa ũramahithũrĩire.
Tumeelekeza nguvu zetu zote kwa mambo ya kuhakikisha wananchi wameacha kutumia karatasi ambazo zilipigwa marufuku, ambazo ni karatasi za plastiki. Matuka marĩa marigainie na nduka ĩno matinahonoka kuona Maobitha acio marahithũkirie minyore iria marahũthagĩra kuohera agũri ao thabuni wa mutu.
Na ukweli vile tulienda katika hizo maduka tumepata ya kwamba wanatumia makaratasi na tumeweza kupata makaratasi kiasi ya 7,552 kutoka duka moja inaitwa Njabini Fair Price, na ingine tumepata makaratasi 62 bags ambazo zinatumika.
O taũni-inĩ ĩyo Maobitha acio nĩ maraheire gĩthĩnjĩro kĩa Olkalau kĩrĩa nĩ kĩa thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyandarua mukana wa thikũ 14 gukorwo mahingĩte gĩtũmi gĩgĩkorwo atĩ kĩrĩ hakuhĩ na rũĩ na kwaya gukorwo maitagĩrĩria gĩko kĩao rũĩ-inĩ rũu. Tumekuwa hapa Engineer, tumeshika watu ambao wanatumia makaratasi ya plastiki ambayo yamepigwa marufuku. Pia tumekuwa kutoka Olkalau, tulikuwa Olkalau tukatembelea slaughterhouse ya Olkalau ambayo ni it's owned by the county government. Unfortunately tulipata iko kwa hali mbaya, njia ambayo wanaelekeza majitaka na pia uchafu wote kutoka kwa slaughterhouse ni kinyume na sheria, na kama shirika la Nema tumechukua hatua ya kwamba tunapeana order pale kwa county secretary kwa sababu tungependa kufunga hiyo slaughterhouse kwa sababu inaleta madhara kwa wananchi wa Kenya. Maobitha acio nĩ moretie mũingĩ ũhũthĩre mitaratara ĩrĩa ĩbatie rĩrĩa marenda gwaka manyũmba.
We've been having a problem with what disposal of effluent in Olkalau. We are aware that we do not have a system in Olkalau, but that does not mean that there are not systems that can handle the wastewater from our businesses, from our establishments, including the residential areas, as we await for the government to put up the infrastructure of sewerage. We know the plans are underway, but in the meantime, we have to continue our waste in total containment and the exhaust using the licensed exhausters and discharge according to the law.
Ngiri mohoro ma Njata TV, Njatagwo Lili Kamau.